Today I'll be showing you how to fit the RCD360 PRO. I've ordered this one online, going to be replacing it with this one here. So the first thing you want to do is remove this top tray. There's a little plastic cover that should literally come out. Give it a little bit of a pull, there you go. And then it reveals two screws. Yeah, I believe they're T20s. Should I remove them too? And I'll show you. Another thing I just want to show you before you fit this is there's an adapter you get with the box, so it comes with this one here. If you have a MK5 Golf, don't use this. It will cause your battery to become flat. Use this one. It has a little adapter here, which basically you don't do anything with it. You just plug and play. This red one's for your reverse camera if you want to fit one. But otherwise, if you've got a MK5 Golf, use this one. It just stops battery drain, so you can use the radio and it should be fine. This was an extra to come with this, but it's well worth it if you don't want to be buying a battery every week. Removing it with a little prying tool here. These two little metal clips also come off. Don't know where they come from, but they will literally sit in 1 and 2 there. But yeah, that's that all done. Those metal clips actually come off from there, so you just got to fit them back on and it should be fine. And then put this aside, and then you've got to start removing this. I'm literally just putting the prying tool here, just lifting it up, and it would slowly lift up. It's quite a hard bit to remove, but yeah, it just takes a bit of time, and then eventually it will pry off. Don't force it, it's plastic, it will break. This one here was really stubborn. It wouldn't come off from any of these. So what I did was I put the tool, I tried to make a little gap, put the tool right in the middle, and then got my prying tool here, put it right there and just lift it up, and it pops off really easy. So try your best to put the tool right in the middle here and then lift it up, and it should come off. And then put it all to one side. Don't disconnect this cable here because it will bring up the airbag light, and you don't want that because it won't turn off. So yeah, and that's it. Next thing you've got to do is remove them, and then you've got to take off this whole plastic trim here, and all this should come off pretty easily. Some metal clips behind here, but if you literally just give me a second. If you just put your tool around the back behind here, and it should literally just pry off so easily, which I'll show you now. You can just see, pull, it pops ever so slightly, pull, and there you go. You can just see, look, it just pries off really easily. So same with that side, it will literally just pop off. My tool there, pry off. You can hear it just in metal clips in the background, just pinging. But yeah, you get the point. Just put it behind there. Should be a clip there, should be a clip there. If you wanted to know where the clips were, I'll show you that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I think. 3, yeah, 8. So yeah, just be careful. I've seen a lot of videos of people break these off. They're literally soldered with plastic, so they will just literally break off. Once that's off, it's a simple job of removing another 2 screws, or 4 actually. So another 4 screws, and that's it, you're done. That unit, once that's done, this whole unit should come out. It is fairly heavy, to be fair. I mean, look at it, it's wham. And then just disconnect anything behind it. Disconnect that, disconnect these two, and then I'll go on. In order to remove these 2 clips, which are the hardest, you have to push this down and then lift up. You've got to push it down really hard, and then just use your other 2 fingers on your right hand or left hand, whatever, to put it up. And it should work. Just this little clip here. After that, that's your whole unit out. Put this in the shed, stick it on eBay for 20 quid, and that's it really. To be fair, this has lasted quite long. It doesn't look not too much damage on it for what, 42,000 miles I've done. So yeah, 42k on a Mark 5. Don't see that every day. Is going to be fit your adapter. So again, I have 2 adapters here. This one don't fit if you have a Mark 5 because it's going to literally give you battery drain. Fit this one. This is the one you want. Make sure your keys are not in the ignition. Make sure the key's off, which is what I should have told you at the start of the video. Anyways, you want to fit this. So how do I fit this then? It goes in this way. It goes in that way, and then you see this clip. You push down to secure it, but I'm not securing it yet, so lift it back. In order to fit this on, you can see the clips are kind of stuck together, these 2, so you have to push it on quite hard, which is, I guess, is a good thing because you don't want the connection to come loose. So you can clearly see they're very close together. So when you do put them on here, make sure you literally, once it's aligned, just push it really hard in together, and it should click nicely. The last step is to then get the end of this, if I can find it, that bit, and you want to plug that into the back of this. Make sure you align it and make sure it's the right way around, and it should fit. And then We then got to fit them too. What I've then decided, before I actually do fit that, I thought I'd just fit this one in first, just makes more sense. So it should go in, what way? This way, where that line is. This should align like that. So just like that. There you go. Try undo it, see if it sticks. If it does, then you're fine. Then obviously the two clips, well, it belongs to one of them. From all the videos I've seen, you want to connect the white one, not the yellow one. I don't know what the yellow one's for, but the white one is what you want to be connecting to the end of this, because you can see it only fits one. So yeah, start that for a reason. So you want to fit this one in. Once this is all in, you want to put the key ignition in the ignition, just see if it works. So just give it a go. We've got to turn it on. Oh yeah, it does. Looks quite good, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. So I guess you can just change the language in there. Oh, I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'll figure it out. Oh, there you go. Language, English, US. There you go. And that's it. I was going to show you how to put it back together. Screw them all back in. You then want to screw in those two T20s. And then put the plastic trim on around it. Always want to make sure this is all in. Nice and secure. Just see nicely popping it back into place. Start from the top might be a bit easier. Fit it around. Might take a bit of time, a bit of pressing, but it should all fit back in nicely. So don't forget, you've got to screw them two screws. You want to start off with these two. Make sure you push these in first, and then start off with all the back ones. It can be quite fiddly to put in. Just once you've lined up, you want to line up the back first, all around here, and then just try push these in, and then smack it from the top, and it should click nicely back into place. And then you want to fit the last bit, which is the tram. I like to give it a little wipe on top with an interior wipe to make it nice and clean. All around the dash, just to make it look that little bit nicer. And then that's it. I think it's going to be done. You've got to fit that last rubber tray, and then that's it. Should all be fine. Just giving my dash a nice wipe down with an interior wipe. Last bit now is to fit that rubber tray, which I've got to find. Don't know where I put it. There we go. That literally slaps back on. It would help if I did it the right way, like that. There you go. And put my two new air fresheners in there as well. That's it. Get your tool, and that's it. You're all done. I'm going to show you how Apple CarPlay works now as well. If you've got an iPhone cable, you just plug it in there. That should work. I'll show you now. You just want to press connect. Press allow on your phone. It should pop up. Just press that now. And there you go. Apple CarPlay is all put in. Yep, really responsive. Works really nicely. And that's it. Yeah, that's how you fit Apple CarPlay to a Mark 5 Golf.